San Marino, the world's smallest independent country located within Italy, is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and delicious cuisine. Despite being just over 23 square miles in size, San Marino has a diverse culinary scene that reflects the region's cultural heritage and traditions. In this essay, we will explore the unique aspects of San Marino's cuisine, its traditional dishes, and the influence of its neighboring countries on its food culture. Geography and climate. San Marino is located in central Italy and is surrounded by the Emilia-Romagna and Marche regions. The country is primarily mountainous, and the climate is mild and temperate, with warm summers and cool winters. The fertile soil and favorable climate of San Marino have helped it to produce a wide variety of fresh fruits and vegetables, including tomatoes, olives, peppers, and grapes. Traditional dishes. San Marino's cuisine is heavily influenced by its neighboring regions, including Emilia-Romagna, Tuscany, and Umbria. One of the most famous dishes of San Marino is piadina, a flatbread made with flour, water, and lard, which is often stuffed with cured meats, cheese, and vegetables. Another popular dish is pasta with rabbit sauce, a hearty dish made with tender rabbit meat, tomatoes, and herbs. Polenta is also a common dish in San Marino, often served with roasted meat, sausages, or mushrooms. The country is also famous for its sweet treats, including torta tre monti, a layered cake made with hazelnuts. Chocolate and buttercream, and bustrengo, a traditional cake made with cornmeal, raisins, and nuts. Influence of neighboring countries. San Marino's cuisine is heavily influenced by its neighboring regions, and it has borrowed many culinary traditions from Italy. The country's proximity to Emilia-Romagna, one of Italy's most renowned culinary regions, has greatly influenced San Marino's cuisine. This influence can be seen in dishes like piadina and pasta with rabbit sauce, which are also popular in Emilia-Romagna. San Marino has also been influenced by Tuscany, known for its simple and rustic cuisine. The country's polenta dishes are reminiscent of Tuscan cuisine, which often uses cornmeal as a staple ingredient. Similarly, the use of mushrooms and game meats in San Marino's cuisine can be traced back to the neighboring region of Umbria. Conclusion. San Marino's cuisine is a unique blend of Italian culinary traditions, influenced by its neighboring regions. The country's small size has not stopped it from producing a diverse and flavorful cuisine that reflects the region's cultural heritage and traditions. From the hearty pasta dishes to the sweet torta tre monti, San Marino's cuisine is a testament to the country's rich history and cultural diversity. In addition to piadina, pasta with rabbit sauce, and polenta, San Marino has many other traditional dishes that are worth exploring. Here are some more details about these dishes. Cacciatello, a traditional San Marino dish that consists of lamb or veal stuffed with cheese, herbs, and garlic. The meat is roasted until tender and served with a side of polenta. Nidi di rondine, a pasta dish made with lasagna sheets rolled and stuffed with ricotta, spinach, and meat sauce. The rolls are then baked with a layer of bechamel sauce and Parmigiano